Hey guys, it's Nicole and I'm back again today sharing my third project with the October kit from the Scraproom. I am only sharing 3 out of the 4 because the 4th one is sort of subscriber access only. However, I believe November moving forward, I will have 4 projects, all 4 kits that I will be sharing with you guys. So as always, I keep this part in real time. So the kit that I'm working with today is the Echo Park, and I think it's Halloween Magic. Yes. So we got 2 sheets of black cardstock, which I think it's Basil's the brand, and then 3 pattern papers. Trick or Treat, Happy Halloween, and Ghosts. Pretty much only for the voiceovers of my video do I actually pay attention to that, and thankfully I get a cheat sheet provided to me because by the time I get to the video, I can't tell you where those branding strips are. They get cut off, they kind of get thrown anywhere and everywhere. Sometimes they go back at my kit, sometimes they end up in the trash can because out of habit, I throw away the branding strips. The embellishment that is included in this kit is, I feel like I messed up here. I'm so confused. I have on my notes that the kit comes with a 12 by 12 sticker sheet, but why is it not in my hot little hand right here? Instead, I'm over here playing with, maybe that's just a typo. Nope, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Nope, okay. These are, we got a third of the ephemera pack and a 5th of a pack of, and these are actually Bella Boulevard branded epoxy stars. Now is when I'm going to go over to the paper pattern paper add-on and the embellishment add-on kit, just to kind of give you guys a glimpse of what comes in that. Because when I was looking through everything and I saw the sticker sheet and all the little kids, I was like, yeah, there's no way I'm not going to be doing a scene with these. So I apologize. Typically I do try to stick to just the main kit to kind of show you how you can get like a good bang for your buck kind of a thing. For me, especially for holidays, I kind of like more embellishments than for everyday layouts, if that makes any sense. Because to me, it's just fun. Typically, I don't like the Halloween lines. I absolutely love Halloween lines. You get all the cute little kids in their little costumes and the candies and cute, spooky, cute stuff like that. You're not getting like scary stuff. So when I was originally thinking about doing a scene, I thought, I'll probably just do like I normally do. I'll do a big scene across the top or the bottom or something. And I just kind of quickly cropped my photos. I dropped them into Photoshop Elements, and most of them I resized to like a 3x4 or a 2.5 by 3.5, 2x3, just kind of random. I only had 4 photos. I didn't want them to be all the same size. And from there, I just started cutting paper and kind of playing around and came up with this idea of giving myself a kind of like a matted border with the striped pattern paper cut into strips. And then I'm going to take 2 big chunks from the orange and the purple pattern paper, and I'm going to kind of separate it into 2 die cut scenes. I kind of like if the event that my photos are taken aren't, I don't know how to word this. To me, the Halloween parade is very chaotic. It's all over the place. There's people in the background of your photos. One of the photos, I tried to blur out the kid that was behind my son as much as I possibly could because I'm not about putting other people's kids on the internet if I can possibly help it. But I kind of like my layout to be maybe just as messy or chaotic as the event because it kind of fits that. All right. Had to take a break, had to pause. I swear today has been the day of technical difficulties to no end. I somehow managed to post 2 videos today when one I was supposed to schedule for like later because, other YouTubers don't just dump all their stuff in one upload. And I wasn't paying attention and posted pretty much everything that was in my drafts today. Instead of like spreading it out and making you guys wait, I was like, no, I'm going to give it to him now. Oops. And I have had somebody asked me one time why like all of my Scraproom projects are all kind of at the beginning. It's just kind of the way that it's scheduled. It follows the Scraproom blog. So if you ever go onto the Scraproom's website, up at the top, all the social media stuff is, and there's a link to the blog where you can kind of see like when the sketch gets posted and it's like the big reveal day for the sketch, you get to see all the designer layouts that used that sketch. Same thing with the formula. Or maybe it's the day that the focus is on the Echo Park Halloween Magic kit. Then you see what the different designers used with that kit, and it's kind of all in one place. So a lot of times my stuff goes up early in the month because that's when the collections or like each section of the kit gets shared on the blog. And most of the time I don't tend to get a whole lot of time to go back and make any extra layouts. I kind of go through and put everything back in the little bag it came in so that when I want to go back, I can. And typically the way that I scrapbook, and I would say I'm kind of a medium level embellisher, even with like big sticker scenes like this, I still end up with a ton left over. I could go back and do another 1 to 2 single page layouts, especially with this kit. So this one, I just kind of tucked it back in with my Halloween stuff. And what's nice about, to me, Halloween lines specifically, you can almost always mix and match them even across manufacturers because the color palettes are usually the same. So this one came together pretty quickly. I've said this before. This is why I like these kits. I like the fact that I'm not looking at an entire collection in one sitting. I'm only looking at a couple things. Decisions have already been made for me. All I kind of need to do is come up with like a game plan or a design element. And a lot of times I will go ahead and combine it with one of the challenges for the month because, again, that's taking a decision kind of off the table for me. And I would say this one probably start to finish took me maybe 45 minutes. And I would say probably half of it was just putting black ink on the edges of my pattern papers and foam tape on the back of some of the stickers. Everything else goes together super quickly. And I think that's kind of why once I open my Scraproom kit, I kind of go through and go from each of the 4 sections and just kind of knock everything else out in one go. And then I edit them all in one go. And then I actually do kind of like that I'm scheduled all in one go. Otherwise, I feel like I would forget to post something somewhere. Like I'm trying to be better about Instagram and I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I'm just a mess, but I try. I'm the same name over there if you want to come follow me over there. Links below to everything in the description box. And again, thank you guys for supporting my mess and coming by and spending some time with me. And I will catch you guys later. Bye.